Are you too busy with work, kids, and a million other things to worry about your porch pots? I totally get it. That's why today I'm going to show you how to effortlessly transform your fall porch pot into a winter beauty in no time. No stress, no overwhelm, just simple steps to get your porch holiday ready. Plus, if you stick around to the end, I've got a bonus tip that's going to make your porch the talk of the block. Let's dive in. Okay, so I know you've been wondering, how do you transition your cute little fall pots to fabulous winter pots? And I'm going to help you with that today. So this is supposed to be fun. It is not supposed to be stressful. So if you need to pause this for a minute and go get a cocktail, come back, totally fine. In fact, I think I'm going to do that. Hold on, right? 1 second. Bonus points if your vodka has a sweater on, okay? Cheers. All right, sister, let's transition our pots from fall to winter. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I picked up this fabulous insert at Chicory Market. I'm gonna plop it in my planter as if I've been growing it all season, okay? No one will know. It's fine if you don't do the whole thing yourself. Now we're gonna go get all of our goodies to make it bigger and more fabulous. Here are some elements that we're gonna use. They're dried botanicals, and it is gonna elevate this planter from fall to winter. I'm gonna start with the birch branches since they're kind of the biggest of all of them. I really want it to add to the thriller element of this container, so it's gonna be kind of parked back here with my taller elements like the kale and the snapdragons. First thing you want to do is go ahead and just kind of set them next to your container. You're judging for height here. And I think these are totally fine. They don't need to be cut down at all. Sometimes they're like this tall and you may need to have to cut them down, but this is good. I'm kind of making them a triangle for the most impact. That's pretty good. Cute little logs, probably towards the front. But I do need to make these shorter, so they break really easily. Just break it off, and then you just stick them in the soil. And you kind of find the height that you want. Just kind of get the placement right, and then we can go in and we can adjust as necessary. I want to do sort of this little lotus pod towards the front near the trailers. So you've got these tall elements here, and I want something to kind of draw your eye down towards the bottom of the container. So I definitely don't need a long stem for him. If you feel like he's not full enough, you can always add more branches in. But just kind of take a look as you go. You can always take away, you can always add, you can always move stuff around. So it's no pressure, it's totally fun. It's like changing your outfit. Just look at it, see if you like it. If you don't add something, take something away. I love adding dried botanicals to my porch pots. They instantly elevate the pot, adding height, texture, and they give you that lush, layered look that's really hard to achieve with just plants on their own. The trick is to use botanicals that vary in size and texture. You want to get tall stems to create that wow factor with the height, and then you want to fill in with softer, more delicate pieces to add some contrast. It really creates a rich, full look without adding much time or effort. And trust me, by adding these simple touches, you can turn any basic pot into a showstopper. You've totally got this. The finishing touch is by adding the bow. I want to do game day ready. And then I can easily change it into ready for Christmas just by changing out the bow. And just like that, your fall pot is now winter ready and looking fabulous. Just by adding a few botanicals and some simple touches, you have taken your pot to the next level. I'm so proud of you. By the way, if you have a girlfriend who needs a glow up for her porch, go ahead and send this video her way. I'm so glad you guys were hanging out with me today, and don't forget to hit that like button if this helped you out. We'll see you next time.